Tessanne Chin is a Jamaican reggae, soul, and pop singer best known for winning Season 5 of The Voice in 2013. With her powerful voice, unique style, and deep musical roots, she has become one of Jamaica's most celebrated female artists. If you love reggae and want to stay updated on your favorite artists, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Today, we'll explore Tessanne Chin's lifestyle, personal life, and net worth. Lifestyle. Tessanne Chin enjoys a balanced lifestyle, blending music, family, and self-care. Born and raised in Jamaica, she grew up surrounded by rich musical influences, which shaped her versatile sound that blends reggae, soul, R&B, and pop. Unlike many mainstream artists who chase flashy lifestyles, Tessanne remains grounded. She embraces Jamaican culture, often incorporating traditional Caribbean flavors and fashion into her daily life. Whether performing on global stages or spending time at home, she prioritizes staying true to her roots. Her fitness routine focuses on healthy eating and regular exercise, as she has been open about her weight loss journey and her commitment to a healthy lifestyle. She also practices self-care by spending quality time with her family and loved ones. Since winning The Voice, Tessanne has continued to release soulful music, tour internationally, and inspire upcoming artists with her incredible vocal talent. While she maintains a low-key presence on social media, she often shares positive messages, performances, and glimpses of her personal life. Personal life. Tessanne Amanda Chin was born on September 20th, 1985, in Kingston, Jamaica, into a musical family. Her mother, Christine Chin, and father, Richard Chin, were both musicians, and her older sister, Tammy Chin, is also a successful Jamaican singer. Her first major break came when she became a backup singer for Jimmy Cliff, which helped launch her solo career. She later released her hit, Hideaway, which gained international attention before her rise to fame on The Voice. Tessanne's personal life has had its ups and downs. She was previously married to Michael Cuff Jr., but the couple divorced in 2015. In 2019, she remarried and welcomed her first daughter, Zaya Christina Crooks, in 2020. She often shares loving moments with her family, embracing motherhood while continuing her musical journey. Despite challenges in the music industry, Tessanne remains dedicated to her craft, proving that talent, hard work, and authenticity can take you far. Net worth. Tessanne Chin's estimated net worth is around $1 million to $3 million as of 2024. Her wealth primarily comes from music sales, live performances, endorsements, and royalties from streaming platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and YouTube. Winning The Voice opened many doors, including collaborations with artists like Adam Levine and Shaggy. While she may not release music as frequently as some artists, her songs continue to resonate with fans worldwide. Tessanne Chin is a true Jamaican icon, proving that hard work and passion can lead to greatness. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on your favorite reggae artists.